Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva brand templates. We'll dive into how these powerful tools can transform your design workflow, ensuring every piece of content reflects your unique brand. Imagine saving hours each week while maintaining a perfectly polished and professional look. Brand templates are your secret weapon for consistency and efficiency, making design accessible for everyone on your team. First, let's build your brand kit within Canva. This central hub stores all your essential brand assets. You can upload multiple versions of your logo, define up to 100 custom brand colors, and select specific fonts for headings and body text. Don't forget to add any frequently used graphics or icons. A well-organized brand kit is the foundation for consistent, on-brand designs. Now, let's create a design using your brand templates. Navigate to your projects and select a template that suits your current needs, whether it's for social media, a presentation, or a document. With a few clicks, you can replace placeholder text and images with your own content. The template automatically applies your brand fonts and colors, ensuring every design is perfectly on brand without extra effort. Maintaining brand consistency across your team is crucial. Share your brand templates directly with team members, allowing them to create on-brand content effortlessly. You can even lock certain elements within a template, like your logo or specific colors, to prevent unintended modifications. Remember to update your brand kit whenever your brand guidelines evolve, ensuring everyone always has access to the latest approved assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.